From wear and tear to weather, arthritis facts you need to know. Osteoarthritis is the wear and tear of our body that occurs naturally over time, whereas rheumatoid arthritis and others autoimmune disorders in which the immune system attacks the body's own tissues and organs. There's not necessarily a cure, but there's sure some neat things you can do about it, including the treatments. The first step in osteoarthritis is managing pain, but there's so many things besides over-the-counter medicines that are damaging to your liver and kidneys, steroid and pain meds. So keeping the joint moving is essential. Exercise, stretching, yoga, physical therapy, chiropractic, massage are all excellent. And don't forget about hot-cold therapy, Epsom salt baths, and natural pain creams. On my national radio show, America's Healer, we pull back the curtains on remedies most doctors don't know about, including natural pain solutions, supplements, and vitamin regenerative injection therapy. Go to www.radioshow.americashealer.com. It's Fridays at 12 p.m. Pacific time.